Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add place effect to overlay only in CapCut PC. So I'm going to add the image to the main track and I'm going to select the overlay, so put on top another clip, and I'm going to um, remove portable background. Just go to cutout, select chroma key and select color picker. And you can select the color you like to remove. Put a string and then shadow until you find perfect. So go to effect and select the uh, white place to nightclub. So here's white place at the track, and you can adjust body duration in the sum link. So but I want to apply to overlay only this effect. So how to just select the overlay and the effect, and then right click and you can select create compound clip, and you can see for the final result. So the effect is playing to the overlay only. So basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.